This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
Hey guys, this is Valerie Lauer with the iPhoneAppReview.com, here with a video app review of an application we've had this week called ProSel. ProSel is a business application from the company AI2. We took a look at one of their apps last week, and this one actually integrates with it, which is kind of cool. ProSel is actually a mobile workforce or mobile Salesforce managing application to link in your Salesforce to your inventory. A simple, straightforward ordering system that is organized by clients, so you have a look at the history of their orders, all their client information, and it also lets you track data, and it also lets you interface directly with clients. It's actually something you can use either directly with your clients to have them place orders directly, or if with your Salesforce out there. So here we are, we're open. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through. This is the free demo application that's available, so you can download ProSel for free to take a look at it, see if it works out for your company, and then you would obviously contact their sales team to see if you had any other need for it. So here we are on the home page. There is a current news scroll bar there, which is kind of cool. You can actually update that with information. The app is organized into different tabs. In the customer tab, you can actually have all your customers organized a couple different ways by tapping view options. You can view it by customer number, you can do it by customer name, or you can do it by additional fields. We'll go ahead and leave it on numbers. You can actually choose your view options too, whether it's a basic list, a detailed list, or a list with images in case it's easier for you to identify them that way. And it's good for them to see that you have their personal information, you know who they are directly here. Now, normally on this page there is this little asterisk or flower icon you can touch. It's going to open to link you out to other applications to make this more of a full business solution in case you want to link to reports, to YouTube, things like that. But that's obviously when you have it set up for yourself personally. Any of these that you want to go in and make an order for, you can actually select them. And not only is it going to have an option for you to do a new blank order, you can actually do a new order from history, and you can normally view the orders that have already been taken. Obviously, we're just using this as a test application, though. If you do new orders from history, it's going to show you items that they've ordered in the past, which you can access, change the price on, change the quantity on, or remove from the order all directly here. So very, very simple, very straightforward. And when you update these, they're going to appear there. And whenever you're ready to make the order, you can tap on close order, and it's going to give you an option to send it, save it for later, or close without saving. And that's that. Very, very simple, very streamlined order processing, and you can always add on to those or create fresh new ones if you want to. The second tab that's blacked out right now is called Current Orders. Obviously, again, we're in a demo version. You're not going to be able to see that, but you will be able to go through and view pertinent information about any of your current orders and view those in different organizations as well, in case you had any questions or they had any questions about delivery and things like that. In this item browse section is going to be an inventory area. Same thing, you have a lot of viewing options where you can view those, and you can have it use the advanced search option here to change things and view them by price, other guidelines by groups, things like that. Very, very cool. One thing I didn't mention on the other page, but that is integrated in all these scenes, is this search function. This search feature is really helpful if you have any kind of item you're looking for, if you're looking for a specific client, if you're looking for a specific item. So if you have a huge database here to pull from, you're really going to want these search options because it's really going to make it much easier to find your data. And the same thing works here on the customer page. There's an order log, which again we don't have access to because this is a demo version, but you would normally have an order log, past orders, and there's more here. You can have access to the help file. You can update with ProSync files anytime you need to. And as we mentioned earlier, this is in connection with Pigeonholes. The application actually syncs directly into Pigeonholes right from the app. So not only would you have this application to manage your Salesforce ordering and your customer base and your inventory directly, updating them anytime on this enterprise solution, you can actually use Pigeonholes to, as we mentioned in our other review, access files, save favorites, and use this as a messaging function as well to keep tabs on everything with your mobile Salesforce, all in the same applications, because as you can tell down here, you actually have it left ProSel. So very, very great. This is the kind of application that's hard to put a value score on because how you're going to have it set up with the company is obviously due to your sales and due to your needs. However, giving this as a free trial is really great. If you're in business and looking for a way to get organized, this could be a really great way to do it. So here at the iPhoneAppReview.com, we did give this application a 4 out of 5 stars. Had a couple problems with the interface when we went to landscape mode, so which is why we're showing it to you here in portrait mode. But otherwise, really well made application, easy to use, very business professional, very useful. And again, that value is just going to depend on how and what you need for your company. So with the iPhoneAppReview.com, again, this has been Valerie Lauer with a video app review of ProSel. Until next time.